Before we start today's video, we want to give an announcement that we're going to be doing a giveaway. 2 giveaways actually. One's going to be for these hoodies and another one's going to be for these shirts that just came in. To enter the giveaway for the hoodies, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, like our video, and hashtag rookie.
And then for our shirt,
bottom.
For our shirts, we got the brown and then we got the black and white. For the shirts, you gotta follow our IG, share this post, and then tag 3 friends. We're gonna have 2 winners. This time we're not gonna have one person win it all.
We're actually gonna have 2. And this is the other color for the hoodies. These haven't been released yet, so it's your chance to get it first. Oh yeah. Also, the giveaway ends next Friday on the 16th.
So you guys got 1 week.
Make sure you comment or hashtag rookie on this video, not any of our other videos, this video. And make sure you follow our Instagram. I'll have all the links down below.
Other than that, enjoy the video.
Peace! Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to the vlog. As you can already tell, today is a special day where we pick up our new project car. If you guys think you know what car it is, comment down below. I'm gonna be going to the guy's house right now. I need some help to get this thing home. And once again, this car was free. I'll give you another hint. It's a drift car. That's all the hints I'm gonna give you. We'll see you guys at the guy's house. Just got here. Let's see who's awake. Where the fuck is everyone?
Good morning. Come on. I'm ready.
You ready?
Are you guys ready?
Where's Tommy? Oh. Fuck. Oh shit, bro. What are you doing right now? Flex. Fuck, dude. Ooh, you can actually see a 6-pack, dude. Yeah. Oh, morning. Ooh.
Hey, Seattle.
Oh, why are you looking so skinny this morning?
I don't know.
You look fat.
I don't know. You tell me these guns.
Oh.
I'm on that day. I haven't gone to the gym since EDC. So.
Loves dude.
Yeah.
Why you matching me?
My jeans don't match.
Why you matching me?
We're all matched.
Check this out. Ooh! Ooh, that new.
Like her look at my face.
That new.
Hey, shit.
What do you got there, boy?
It's a dildo.
After.
Well, Costco got the rooms. It's cheaper.
Yeah.
Tommy, use it real quick.
Oh yeah, fuck me!
Here you go, man.
Hey, make sure you don't.
Just made it to the owner's house.
The owner's house.
Yeah, the owner's
We're
house.
about to steal some shit.
Or actually,
Oh.
damn, look at that stance.
Get it up.
You can.
Get it up.
Today's the day, bro.
Today's the day. Let's take it go.
Just gotta replace it.
Let's go take a look at the surprise that we're gonna be bringing home today.
Oh. Ooh.
She's right there. She's been sitting for the past few years.
Damn, dude.
2-3 years.
I forgot how this thing looked like.
Bought it back in 2014. She's a little dirty, but
What is it?
It's a 95 240 SX. That's 14 Zenki. She's stock. Yeah, she's just stock. Something that really bought was Sylvia Grill.
This motherfucker painted it,
And left it.
drove it one day, and then never
it.
drove it again.
Yeah, but
Go is it Cookie?
I don't know why it's
What was that? What's the other one?
This one's Zenki, the other one's Cookie.
Yeah, Cookie. That doesn't sound right though.
Yeah, it's Cookie.
I don't know my 240s.
K-O-U-K-I.
But I'm excited to drift this thing though.
Everyone's gonna drift it.
The reason why we're buying this right now is because
Buying it, taking it home.
oh yeah, taking it home. We're not buying it, it's free. It's because we have snow here, okay? We can't build cars all year long. So we're gonna build this in the winter and then drift it by spring, hopefully.
You can just say we can't drive real cars really.
Yeah, we can't really drive.
Paul had a 240. He had the S2K. Man, he got fucked every weekend.
Snow gets really bad here, so we can't really drive the cars around.
Well, I can. I had a Beamer, rear wheel drive. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. My other cars come rear wheel drive
Hey,
too.
what happened
Hey,
to the
how
white
many cars
Beamer?
have you gone through first? Give me this. How many cars have you gone through?
Like 6.
So we ran into a problem. I'm not even gonna explain it. I'm gonna just show you guys. So this,
My truck's too high, or the trailer's too high.
so Kevin's gonna have to drive his car to these cinder blocks right here to lift the trailer up because the trailer sits too high, so the 240 won't make it up if we push it up.
Alright, boys.
Finally got it on. We came here at 11.
what is?
We got here at 11.
you
It's
want
1
water?
o'clock.
I know our dumbasses didn't fucking just get there before we came.
Thank God, finally, after how many years now? I don't even know. But she's gonna come back to life though.
Bob's happy.
We'll be riding together again. We'll be riding again. Violet.
Violet, dude. Asians. How many Asians does it take for us to fit in the Toyota?
Got all the homies in one car. About to go photo shoot. The new merch.
Max has the this shit is big.
That's his birthday too.
Hey, I'm gonna get copyrighted, man.
Do we want like
What are you looking at?
Yeah, Apollo Burger.
Crown Burger? Just kidding.
So we're kind of hungry, so we're gonna eat right before the photo shoot. Commies.
You know them? Thank you, baby.
Wait, who else do you call baby?
What the hell?
Everybody's fighting for eating. Alright, we're gonna go do our photo shoot now, so see you guys in a bit.
Where we at?
Downtown. Downtown SLC.
Like 3 more levels.
It's the place to be.
Just made it to this parking garage, trying to get on the very top to take pictures. Hopefully it's like good scenery up there.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record.
We're going somewhere creepy right now. We're just trying to find some spots to take photos.
Made it look so nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record.